Hi friends, today we created our first WordPress website and now we are going to see how to create a contact us page. So for a basic website we require some things like if someone wants to contact you, this will be the main primary purpose of the website to get the feedback or they want to share something about your product. So you can create a contact us form. So I log into my WordPress account and here I have a plugins and I can see the installed plugin. So in this section I will try to bring the contact us form. So I'll be using this contact 7 form.php. You can go to wordpress.org plugins and download it from here, and you can see a download button. Once you click on download, the plugin will be available here. So I have kept it downloaded already. So I just copy this and come here to my WordPress, and here I go to this WP contents, and in plugins I just paste my contact us form. And after pasting it you need to extract it, and once you are extracted, extraction completed successfully. So I will try to close this, and this is my contact 7 form. So when I open it you can see all the php related files associated to it. So I will come back to my plugin folder and I will see what are the plugins available for me here. And can you see here now I have contact 7 form available for me. So I can click on activate. Once I click on activate, the contact 7 form appears. So you can see it is a simple contact us form. So we will try to create some contact us form and check how it will be available. So from here you can directly go to the settings. So when you click here, can you see here on the right hand side, you come here to this page, and this is your contact us form shortcode. It is readily available. You can copy this shortcode and go to any pages. I'll try to create a new page. So when I try to create a new page here, I will type my title as contact us with your requirement, and here I paste the block code. So once I place my block block code here, so I select this contact form one and I click on preview. So I will see preview in new tab, and here you can see my contact us form available. So for this contact us form I want to give some error message and mandatory field, something like this. So when I click on submit, you can see these are all the required fields. These are very important fields, and we will see how to edit all these messages. So I come back here, I publish it. Okay, after I publish, I go to my menu and I come back again to my contact section, and in contact section I click on edit. So here you can see the labels available, your name, such as your name, your email id, subject, and your message. So you can also create a new label saying that your date of birth. You can add your date of birth. So after subject, after a message, we can just give a label tag like this. Just open the close and close the bracket. After you open and close the bracket, I'll try to delete this, and here you can give the your message. So date, so what is the required field. So you can use the name such as date of birth. So you want to know your customer is what is the date of birth of your customer. So if you want to make this require like required field means it will give you an error. I don't want to make it as required. and default value also you can give as some of the value you can give. At right now I'll place it as empty. And here you can insert this tag, and as soon as you insert this tag, try to save it. Once this is saved, you can come back to your contactors form and refresh it, and you can see your date of birth is available, and here a calendar pops up, and you can select the date of birth as required, and you can click on submit. So this is how you can add a new labels, any number of labels. And here you can add a text which will appear in the front end. Yeah, I just copying the above one. Your date of birth optional, so we keep it as optional, and we are not making it as a mandatory. So once I click here and try to refresh this, and you can see your date of birth is optional. Now uh, the messages, you can see here one or more field is having an error. So whenever you try to click on submit, you get this error, please check again. So these are the field you can take the control of. All the messages are preloaded, so you can enter all these messages, and it will start appearing on this website here. So this is how you create a contact us form for your website. It is very easy, and if you have any questions, you can let me know. I will try as much as possible to answer you. So thank you guys.